In a couple days, I'm going backpacking across Europe with just this backpack. In it, I have clothes, camera gear, a laptop, toiletries, and everything I need. So how did I fit all of it in here? I'll show you. First, I'm gonna talk about what's in my pockets. So that's just gonna be wallet, a notebook that you can get for like 30 cents at Walmart, and I'm probably gonna remove some of these keys, but it has AirPods on here, and it has this charger, which you'll see from my travel accessories video, but 5-in-1 charger. It has everything you need. Attaches to your keychain. So that's those. Then you hear the ice cream truck outside, it's super loud. Next, on the backpack, we have this mount, which you can put your phone onto, really easy access. It goes in and out really easily. You can go vertical or horizontal, whatever you need. Just to film POV stuff, or to just put your phone down without having to put it in your pocket. All right, next is this front pocket, super organized. The only thing in here is all of the clothes I'm bringing. They're just in the front pocket. The main compartment has all my electronics and stuff, but you say I military folded everything, so I have 3 pairs of socks. I have actually a sort of mid-sized towel. It's not huge, but I'm trying to conserve space, right? So even if I'm still a little wet, as long as I get most of the moisture off, we chillin'. I got 2 pairs of pants, so these white ones and these tan slacks, which are really, the material keeps you really cool, which is nice. More socks. There's actually gonna be less in here because I'm gonna be wearing one of these pairs, so there'll be extra room. With that extra room, I might honestly bring this back massager, because if you've ever traveled a ton, because I'm going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to be 8 different cities. So if you travel a lot, you're on public transportation in the airport, you get sore from sitting all the time. So I might bring that with the extra space. I got 2 pairs of shorts. I got these pink ones and these 2 pairs of underwear, which are all just Calvin Klein boxers. You see how much doing this military fold stuff helps? There's other videos of this on YouTube. So 3 shirts. This one's long sleeve. It's just my favorite shirt. It's New Orleans merch that I got while I was visiting there. Plain black shirt and a sort of dressy white button-up shirt. So that kind of covers all the occasions, right? Casual, slightly fancy, and a little bit cold. But I'm also gonna bring this hoodie and just wear it around my waist in the airport. It says "People Over Profit," which is a vibe, just in case it gets cold for some reason, even though it's the middle of summer, but you never know. That's everything that is in this front compartment. So all of the clothes just in here. It's crazy stuff. The reason I'm bringing a lot of plain type things is you can do a lot of different combinations. I'm gonna be in each place for 3 to 4 days, so I'll be able to wear everything once in each location and then just use a washer dryer when I get to the next place. Also a pen for this notebook, which I might just carry in my pocket, to be honest. But yeah, that's everything in the front pocket. Let's go to the main compartment now. By far the biggest thing in here that takes up the most space is this travel tripod. So this is a KF concept. The reason it even fits, because this extends up to like 6 feet, is because it inverts. So this is actually the top section. Second heaviest thing in here, probably this MacBook. This is actually a 15-inch from 2015. I'm gonna replace it with the 16-inch M1 Pro, which is still coming in the mail, but so it's just a placeholder for now. All right, next we got some travel accessories. So we have our all-in-one travel adapter. A lot of this like really useful stuff is gonna be in my 5 travel necessities video. So we got this bad boy, which has 4 USB-A ports on the side, 1 USB-C port, and you can plug any country's plug into the top, and you can plug into the wall any country's plug on the bottom. So super versatile, and I can charge 6 things at once with this, which is crazy. Next we got the DJI microphone. This is definitely the best travel mic I've ever used. So I can connect it to my phone or to my camera and get lots of really great shots with with really good audio, no matter how much wind there is, and do it from varying distances. So it works out great. In these front pockets here, I have SD cards. In this SD card case right here, it's going to be the equivalent of 512 gigabytes of space in memory cards. So that should hold me over for the trip, hopefully. Also in these front pockets, I keep other small things like dental floss and my external MagSafe battery charger that goes on my phone in case of emergencies. Next, which this toothbrush has a case, but it's like huge. But it's just an electric toothbrush. So think of that as you will. It is clean. Next, probably one of the most important thing in here is my Ray-Ban Metas. These are like $300, $380 if you get the transitions like I have. And you can record POV stuff very easily with these, just the tap of a button. Super useful. I even recorded a vlog using just these. Check it out, the video's up, and I have comparisons to real cameras. Next, my go-to camera, the Sony a7C. See how small this is? And has a quick release plate on the bottom. And you'll also see that this is not a traditional sensor cap. This is actually a lens, a 30mm. In my world's smallest lens video, I go over it, but basically it's the same size as a sensor cap, but you can shoot vibey pictures and videos with it already. So 20 bucks, really useful and fun to shoot with. All right, next we have these two 3-in-1 chargers that go out and back in. They go up to 4 feet, and you can charge 3 things at once. One that's micro, one that's USB-C, and one that is lightning. So got 2 of those. Charge 6 devices at the same time. Next we have 2 camera batteries. The third one is in the camera already, and this is the battery charger. It charges via micro USB, and I have 3 cords that can do that. So good there. Sleep headphones in a mask, so you just put them on your face, probably take your hat off, and you can just listen to music and be in this really comfortable environment. And you can put them up like this. If your AirPods are dead, you can just, this might seem annoying, but you can actually just stuff it right back in the hole it came out of. That sounds weird. I'm really excited to use that on the plane. Charger for my toothbrush, necessity in case it dies. Deodorant, also a necessity in the hot summer days. Standard headphones in case I want to plug them in to the airplane, because you know they only use wired stuff. And that's just in one of these pockets right here. Put it inside this, like that. Side pockets, which I have a full-on iPhone charger in with this just in case, because this charges really quickly. So in case I need to charge really fast. And I have a quick release mount attached to a phone mount, so I can throw this on the tripod in case I want to record with my phone. Super easy. And both these are very small, so they fit right in here. Oh, I also forgot in my main compartment, I also have my passport, obviously, but I'll probably carry that in my pocket when I'm in the airport. And then I think in this other side pocket, I have a razor to shave because my facial hair grows way too fast, and a microfiber cleaning cloth for my glasses or my lenses or whatever, and currency from like 5 different countries in coins in there. I think some of those are yen from Tokyo. I just never took that out, but it's kind of cool to have currency from all over the world with me wherever I go. This is just a Soul Guard backpack. It's called the Life Pack. I got it on Kickstarter a million years ago, so they have better versions of this now. Oh, and I have one other pen just in case I need another pen. I forgot one thing. The lens, 17 to 28 Tamron. The reason I'm taking this and not the 10 to 18 Sony is for the low light, because I'm probably gonna be out at night multiple times. Hostels do their events at night, so if I record any of that, this lens will definitely be in there. If you didn't see, I wrapped my camera in that headphone mask. I'll probably wrap this in an item of clothing. That's kind of how I protect them without needing a full-on case for my lenses or cameras. Usually just put them in beanies, so works out really well. That's everything. That literally took me like less than 20 minutes to pack. Most of the time was spent rolling my clothes. So if you want to know how to do that, plenty of videos of it on YouTube. It's gonna last me 30 days in Europe. So pretty insane. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Peace.